Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Young Finance. I hope today you have an amazing and productive day. Today's video is going to be really interesting. So today I will be talking about how you can become a millionaire by just investing your money. I'm sure most of you guys already know what investing I'm talking about, as you guys heard, maybe stock market investing or real estate investing. Today I will be talking about stock market investing and how you putting money every month in your stock market account can make you a millionaire in almost 40 years. So pretty much if you start from 20 years old, you're going to be really rich by the time you're 60. Or let's say you start at 18 and you save all the way to 65, you're going to even be more richer. Now, as you guys know, the stock market's average return rate per year is around 10%. Some years are lower, some years are higher. But for this video, we're going to put it at 10% average return rate on your investment. Guys, so let's say you start at 20 years old and you want to retire by 60. So let's say you start by putting 1,000 in your stock account at 10% a year, and let's say you put 1,000 every month in your stock account, which is very doable if you have a good source of income, you're going to be worth almost 5.6 million by the time you are 6 years old, which is insane. So let's say 1,000 a month in your stock account is kind of a lot. So let's say you put 500 a month in your stock account. After 40 years, if you start at 20 and end at 60, you will be worth almost $2.8 million. That's before tax. So after tax, you're still going to be a millionaire. Now, let's say you want to be a bowler and you start at 18 and you retire at 65 and you invest $2,000 a month for consistently for 47 years at 10% return rate, you're going to be worth almost $21 million after you reach the age of 65. Now, guys, this is why it is very important to invest your money. Try to spend as little as you can and invest as much as you can, so in the future you will have much more money to enjoy, have for your future generations. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Let me know what video you guys want to see next, and peace.